welcome to Fizzlebop Labs. I am Dr. Fizzlebop, and I am here with Little Fizz, Junior Fizzlebop, D-Fizzle, and Fizzy. And today we are going to show you the end results to one of our experiments, how to make a lava lamp. Now, if you want to learn more about the brand new book coming out in fall of this year, you can go to Fizzlebop.com to learn all about it and to stay tuned for more information. But right now, we're going to show you our amazing lava lamps. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes!
Unscrew our caps. Prepare with our first fizz tab. Everybody ready? Release the fizz tabs! And watch and observe. Look at what's happening.
Whoa.
Starting to see some movement. Now you're seeing the movement come up as the fizz goes, and you're going to see it start to move and get really crazy. I do think we might need a little more fizz. Let's add the second fizz tab. All right. Spin yours around a little bit so they can see the real action going on back here. It's pretty cool. Yours too.
Whoa!
Fizzy, look at that. It's going. Okay, how's yours going? Oh, it's
Dr.
getting really
Fizzlebop,
swizzy in there.
look at that.
Yeah, fizz that around so we can see that going. That's awesome.
Fizz.
Oh, look at that one's got some big movement. Look at those dropping and going.
Look at mine!
Awesome.
Look at that! Look at that!
Wow,
it's
so
like an
much.
ocean.
Look at that. It's so cool.
Yes.
Well, if you want to make your very own lava lamp, go to Fizzlebop.com and stay tuned for more information from Dr. Fizzlebop.
That is so cool. And I have his tablet.
Yeah, it's floating. That's so cool.